Which router bit is actually good for cutting letters? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, New Delhi Flush Trim Bit Set. First up, we have the New Delhi Pattern Flush Trim Router Bit Set. Priced at just $13.98, this set caught my attention because of its impressive 4.6-star rating from over 411 reviews. If you want smooth, precise cuts for your letter projects, this is worth a serious look. The precision size and heat-treated tungsten carbide blades ensure you get clean cuts without tearing out wood. Plus, the sealed bearings provide smooth rotation, which is essential when you're aiming for accuracy in letter cutting. It's a versatile choice for both hobbyists and professionals, with over 200 units sold in the past month. Now, some people complained about the bits dulling faster than expected. Here's the thing though, for the price, it's still a solid investment because you can easily resharpen them and they work great for lighter projects. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast looking to craft custom signage. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty options for industrial use, but for the price, it offers great value. Now, if the durability issue bothered you, this next option might take a different approach. Product number 2, Genmitsu V-Groove Bit Set. Next, we have the Genmitsu 10 PCS18 Shank V-Groove CNC Router Bits. At $24.99 and a solid 4.5-star rating from over 1,000 reviews, this kit really stands out. If you're serious about sign making and engraving, you need to check this out. The nano blue coating enhances durability and reduces wear, which means you'll be able to tackle tougher materials like acrylic and hardwood without worrying about your bits breaking. Plus, the sharp cutting edges ensure that your letters come out clean and precise every time. Now, some users noted that the bits can be too fragile for heavy use. Here's the thing though, if you're focusing on detailed designs rather than heavy-duty cutting, they perform exceptionally well. This is perfect for you if you're looking to create detailed engravings for signs or artwork. Skip this one if you plan on using them for rough cuts on hardwood, but for finesse work, it's worth the investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one might actually be even better for straightforward cutting tasks. Product number 3, Wolfride Straight Cut Bits. Now let's talk about the Wolfride 4 PCS Straight Cut Router Bits. Priced at $13.88 and boasting a 4.5-star rating from over 841 reviews, this set is all about efficiency. If you need reliable straight cuts for letters, this is a great choice. Made from YG6 carbide, they're designed to resist wear and tear, meaning you can expect clean cuts without the frustration of frequent replacements. Plus, they work well on CNC machines, table-mounted setups, and even handheld routers, providing you with flexibility. Now, some users mention that the bits can struggle with hardwood. But here's the thing, if you stick to softer materials or use them for edging, they perform excellently. This is perfect for you if you need budget-friendly options for basic letter cutting. Skip this one if you're working exclusively with tough materials, but for general use, they offer great value. Now, if you're looking for something that combines versatility with precision, the next product is for you. Product number 4, Yakima's V-Groove and Round Nose Set. Next up is the Yakima's 6 PCS14 Shank Carbide Router Bit Set, priced at $12.99 with a respectable 4.4-star rating from 804 reviews. This set really caught my eye because it offers both V-Groove and round nose bits in one package, making it versatile for all kinds of lettering. Here's why this matters for you. With cutting diameters ranging from 1/4 to 1/2, these bits are perfect for detailed work like sign making or adding accents to your projects. The anti-kickback design enhances safety and ease of use, which is crucial when you're focusing on intricate designs. They cut through various materials, including MDF and PVC, making them adaptable to whatever project you have in mind. Now, some users found that the bits can wear out with extensive use, particularly on harder materials. But here's the thing, for the price, they provide excellent precision and are great for lighter tasks, making them a worthwhile addition to your toolkit. This is perfect for you if you're into detailed woodworking projects or sign making. Skip this one if you need something heavy-duty for industrial jobs, but for intricate work, they're a steal. Now, if you want something premium and professional, wait until you see the next product. Product number 5, FOOS Engraving Router Bit Set. Finally, we have the FOOS Engraving CNC Wood Carving Router Bit Set, retailing for $59.99 with a stellar 4.7-star rating from over 1,300 reviews. This one is aimed at serious woodworkers looking for precision and quality in their cuts. If you want professional-grade bits, this set is worth considering. The tungsten carbide construction ensures longevity, so you won't be replacing these bits often. They're made for fine engraving work, which means they excel at producing beautiful letter designs without any chipping. Now, some users pointed out that the price might be a bit high for casual users. But here's the thing, if you're serious about woodworking and want bits that last, the investment pays off over time. This is perfect for you if you're a professional or a serious hobbyist needing high-quality engraving tools. Skip this one if you're just starting out and operating on a tight budget, but for the quality, it's definitely a worthwhile investment. So there you have it, 5 fantastic router bits for cutting letters. From the budget-friendly noodly set to the premium FOOS bits, each one offers something unique. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, there's a great option here for you. Happy woodworking!